guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I haven't filmed a video for ages. This heat wave we have been having in the UK has just wiped me out completely. However, it's a little bit cooler today and I thought, you know what, I just want to film. I just want to do a little bit of filming, so I thought I'd film a video that I've not filmed for so long, and it's a makeup video. I did a video on this, well not this, unboxing this, which is the Focallure Sunrise Impressions palette. This was sent to me by the company. They just asked me to unbox it, which I have done in a separate video, which I'll link, along with some lipsticks that I'm obsessed with. They're so nice. But I thought, I would know what, I'm just going to have a little test of this. I did swatches on my arms, but we all know swatches on your arms aren't always reliable, shall we say. They can show on your arms that they're going to be incredible, and then try and put them on your eyes and they're just crap. So I thought we're going to have a little play with this. It's a really warm toned palette. I absolutely love it. I'll link it down below. I do have a discount code. I think it still works for 15% off. I'll put that on the screen or down below for you guys. I have got nothing on my face at the minute other than my moisturiser and then a little bit of True Match powder, just to kind of make me less sweaty, because I'm still quite hot because it's hot outside and I am 8 months pregnant. So we're just going to jump in. I would like to do a disclaimer now. If it's your first time here, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I've never had lessons. I've never done anything. I literally just like to play with makeup, and I've watched YouTube videos. So if you're expecting like some perfection, you're on the wrong channel. If you want to have fun with makeup, then stick around. Let's be friends. So yeah, we are just, my brushes aren't even clean. Like, I literally, my brushes are all gross. So I'm just gonna need to clean my camera as well a little bit. There we go. So there's quite a few shimmers in here. Don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I know I'm starting with this one. Yeah, this color here, which is called Himalayan Orange, and I'm just putting this on my Luxie tapered blending brush. Whoa. And we're gonna just go in, so bear with me. I've not worn eyeshadow in possibly, I don't know if I've worn it at all while being pregnant, so we'll see what happens. Oh, I love that colour though. That is so nice. How bright is that? That is lush. If you don't like warm colours, then this definitely is not the video for you. So I would just advise clicking off, because these are all warm. Right, that colour is laid down, so I'm just gonna clean my brush, and I'm gonna go into Give Me Mocha, which is this kind of taupey brown. It's a matte one, and I'm just gonna run this over the edge of this colour. Right, Give Me Mocha is in. There is a little bit of fallout in the pan, but nothing crazy, so I'm not worried. I want a little, where's my little brush? Where's my little brush? This one. Right, I've got a e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I'm just going to go into this chocolate Martini down here, which is more of a darker colour. I'm just going to put this right on the edge, just to deepen up the crease on this corner. I'm just going to pack it on and then blend it out. There's no fallout under here at the moment, which is nice. There's a little bit of fallout down here, nothing crazy. Okay, for the lid, there is so many pretty, like, these shimmers in here are like insane. Like, look, they're so pretty. Can you see the shine on them? They are gorgeous. I don't know what one I want to use. So I'm just going to spray a flat brush with a bit of spray. That's just my Mario Badescu one. And I think I'm going to go into Marigold, which is this like bright orange, and it's definitely got like big old chunks of glitter in it. And just pop that on the lid. See what it's like on a brush. Because I do always find most colours like this, you are better off going in with your finger. Yeah, that's like instantly better. You just can't get the precision. Not that I am ever precise. If I can find another brush. Oh, we're just going to clean this one. We'll clean this one. And I do want to go into Champagne, which is the light kind of glitter one. And it's got like a sheen on the top that makes it look speckled. But then that seems to go once you put your finger or your brush in it. It's covered in glitter now. I don't know if you can see it. Probably should have put a bit of powder down. And I am just going to go back into that Champagne and just pop a little bit right in the centre of my eyelid over the top of Marigold, just to brighten it up even more, because you can't ever have too much glitter, can you? I love it. I love it. Right, I'm just going to finish off, do some makeup, and then we'll come back and we'll do underneath. I've just put on a little bit of bronzer and some more powder, but we're just going to finish off underneath. And I'm just going to go into Himalayan Orange again, which was the colour we started with, which was the nice kind of transition colour. And I'm just going to run this from inner to outer corner of my eye. And I do like a really sort of grungy 90s messy smoky eye, so I do bring it quite far down just because that's what my personal preference is. And I always get the comments of, are your eyes infected on here? And I'm like, no thanks, they're not. I'm just playing with makeup. I'm gonna go all the way nearly to the inner, I love it, inner corner. And I'm just going to get a little bit of Chocolate Martini, which is a darker colour, just right on the edge. I am going to sort my lashes out, put some highlighter on, and then we'll come back and have a little chat. Right, I'm all done. I've just put on one of the lipsticks they sent me, which is called Who's Next, and it's the Top Secret collection. I really, really love these. They're matte, but they don't ever dry down, so they're really comfortable to wear. And then I've just put on some lashes, which are Doll Beauty, and they are called Belle. These are one of my favourite ones just because they're quite light. But yeah, that was a little bit of makeup fun that I just feel like I haven't done in the longest time. So yeah, I really like the palette. It's not a cheap palette. I think it's about £20. So it's not a cheap palette, but I really do like it. You've got all of these are powders, apart from this one here, which feels like it's a bit wet. And this one here, which is kind of like a liquid highlighter. So you can kind of just dab it on how you like. And then, see? But the rest of them are powders. But yeah, I really, really like it. I think it's lovely, and they're cruelty free. That's probably a nice selling point for quite a lot of people. But yeah, I really like it. It's messy, it's fun. Yeah, and I just thought I'd do one because I haven't done a makeup video for probably a year. So there we go, this is my face, it's finished. I'm happy with it. I'm sweaty as balls because I've got a giant fan there, but I've had to turn it off because you won't be able to hear me over it. So I'm going to go and sit in front of the fan to stop me from melting. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.